Oh, hey, didn't see you there. But while we're at it, how about I teach you what I've learned these past couple years? My name is Democritus, and I'm a philosopher who works on the atomic theory, but you can call me Father of Modern Science. I've concluded from my thinking that everything in the world is made of tiny, indestructible, and indivisible balls called atoms. Although I'm the first person to think of atoms, I am certainly not the last.
Bonjour, my name is Antoine Lavoisier, also known as the father of modern chemistry. Through my studies on phosphorus and sulfur, I created my theory in 1760. It is called the combustion theory. Simply stated, it means that when phosphorus and sulfur combine with air, they gain weight. I didn't prove my role model Democritus wrong, but simply just added another part to the atomic theory made by him. Unlike Democritus, I earned an award, a gold medal, because of my essay on how I think streetlights work.
Hello, mate. My name is John Dalton. In 1803, I proposed my theory in Manchester, England. Through many experiments with gases, I concluded that gases can only be combined in certain proportions. A few years later, I also proposed that the size of one element is different of the size of another. For example, an atom of calcium is much different than an atom of aluminum. You may also know me for my work on discovering colorblindness, which people back in the day called Daltonism.
Hello, my name is Joseph John Thompson, but you can call me JJ. One of my biggest accomplishments was discovering what I call the electron in 1892. I was able to do this because of an experiment I did using cathode rays. However, many people at the time did not believe that this subatomic particle with a negative charge truly existed. I was able to prove them wrong with my experiments. My atomic model consists of a negative subatomic particle scattered randomly through a positive solid particle like chocolate chips in a cookie. My extensive work and research paid off in 1906 when I received a Nobel Peace Prize in Physics.
Hello, my name is Ernest Rutherford. In 1894, I won a scholarship that brought me to Cambridge University, where I studied under Sir Joseph Thomson, the brilliant mind who discovered the electron. In the early 1900s, I conducted my experiment, in which I shot alpha particles at gold foil. The results surprised me because lots of the time, it passed straight through, proving that the atom was mostly empty space. But sometimes, the particles deflected, proving there was a dense center surrounded by electrons. Through these experiments, I was able to prove JJ wrong.
Hello, my name is Albert Einstein. Though I moved around a lot, I spent most of my time in Switzerland and the United States, even though I was born in Germany in 1879. In 1905, I used mathematical equations to help develop my theory. I call my theory the theory of relativity. It was a theory that helped lay the basis for the release of atomic energy. Though many people think that my Nobel Prize in 1921 was for my theory of relativity, it was really for my work in photoelectric energy.
Hello, my name is Robert Millikan. My biggest contribution to the atomic theory was discovering the size of the electron's negative charge. I was able to do this because of experiments I performed in 1909, where I observed droplets of oil between two metal electrodes. I discovered that the approximate charge of a single electron is about 1.6 to the negative 19th power coulombs. My work with the elementary charge of the electron granted me the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1923.
Hello, my name is Niels Bohr. I was born in 1885 in Copenhagen, Denmark. Though most people know me for my work in the atomic theory, I also played soccer at the collegiate level, though my brother was always much better than me, winning a silver medal in the Olympics. My greatest contribution to the atomic theory was my atomic model that I developed in 1913 using experiments, thought, and mathematical equations. Based on quantum theory, I proposed that energy is transferred in specific quantities, and therefore electrons must move around the nucleus in specific paths or orbits, as seen in this model. In 1922, I received the Nobel Prize for my work.
No, you're wrong. Get out of here. Sorry about that. Hello, my name is Werner Heisenberg. By creating and using mathematical equations in quantum mechanics, I was able to predict the correct movement of electrons. When finished, I concluded that electrons can be found in clouds, or regions surrounding the nucleus, not paths, which is what Niels Bohr thought. This has gone down as my greatest contribution to modern science. I received a Nobel Peace Prize in 1932 for my work.
Hello, my name is James Chadwick. Born in 1891 in the United Kingdom, I am the one responsible for the discovery of the neutron. In 1932, I discovered it using an experiment in which I bombarded beryllium atoms with alpha particles. This resulted in emitting an energetic stream of radiation. Through further research, my wife Irene Curie and I discovered this to be the neutron. In 1945, I was knighted for my achievement in physics. To help develop my theory, I call my theory the theory of relativity.
Which people back in the day called Daltonism. Mess it up.
And in the United Kingdom, I am the one to... I'm sorry. Okay. Hello.
Go!
Alright, now be quiet. Hello. My name is... What are you doing?
You're trying to hit the hair.
It's already started.